How to buy Juventus Fan Token JUV. Beginner's Guide. What are fan tokens? Tokens are generally assets that can represent proof of ownership or even membership. As tokens are already being used for a wide range of purposes, many specialized blockchains have been developed with native intent to support tokens, the most common of which is currently Ethereum and their ERC standard tokens. Socios.com is an app for football, soccer fans, where users acquire voting rights to influence the clubs they support by acquiring club-specific fan tokens. How do fan tokens work? Chilla's $CHZ is an ERC20 utility token on the Ethereum blockchain that serves as the digital currency for the Chilla's and Socios.com platform. In launching their platform, alongside other sports blockchain ventures, a new category of token has emerged, the fan token. Once on board the Socios.com platform, yet to be announced club partners host what has been called a fan token offering, FTO. Fans must purchase $CHZ via a cryptocurrency exchange in order to acquire fan tokens. These tokens, which are specific to a team or club, are a finite, digital asset that provide access to an encrypted ledger of voting and membership rights ownership. About Juventus. Established in 1897, Juventus FC has become a powerhouse in both Serie A and international competition. As of 2020, the club boasts 50 domestic and 11 international titles. The two-time UEFA Champions League winners, a twin highlight of their many accolades, have a reputation for aggressive expansion and growth, as well as being a consistent threat on the pitch season in and season out. Quick guide. How to buy JUV. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds, and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange, and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy JUV. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find JUV tokens on the following crypto in the video description.